Join iLeap Academy and learn smarter ways to solve problems. Discover innovative techniques and transform your learning experience.
Okay, tip number 16, relative velocity. So, if someone say relative to car A, okay, say for an example, okay, that means assume that this car A is parked and everything else is moving, okay, everything else around this one is moving. Anything relative to means that one is actually remain static, not moving, okay. Second tip, always read wind, water currents carefully. Wind blowing from north mean pushing towards south. If they say wind moving from north, means pushing south, right? South. So from or to towards. So you have to be very careful with the direction. Number 3, 1D rule. So 1D rule means if objects are moving on the exact same straight line, something like that, right? Leave trigonometry out. Just add the speed. Add or subtract. If they are opposite direction, subtract. You don't need trigonometry. Trig, no needed. Okay, that is another point. The another tip, number 4, is both. Okay, so if an object is fighting, say for an example, if the object is fighting, go straight. You want to go straight. You are fighting to. You want to go here, and then water current is going like that. Then your own speed, the speed will become diagonal. So your speed will become diagonal. This is very, very important. So own engine speed, own speed is the hypotenuse. Okay. Number 5, cross. This is aiming rule. Aiming. If something, aiming rule. We call it aiming rule. Okay. Crosswind rule. If a plane is actually blown off by a crosswind, plane is flying this direction and then wind is going this direction, then these plane speed and wind speed, plane speed and wind speed are kind of, this is the plane speed, this is the wind speed. Okay, then the adjacent and opposite legs of the triangle. Okay, the another very important tips is actually vector subtraction trick. Okay, so addition is exactly adding, subtraction is actually same as addition but in the opposite direction. Vector is always with the direction. Okay, another important point, keep the vector is velocity is a vector. I think, did I say vector? It should be velocity. Okay, velocity is a vector. So whenever you give the answer, say 270 kilometer per hour, also add the direction, something like N20E. Okay, it has to be given with magnitude and direction. Okay, that's it for some tips.